So today is the 23rd August 2020 and we are at a Sunday call. Fun aging call, Neera.
Hi,
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
Good. Hi, Indra. Lovely to have you here. I look forward to looking at your faces and talking to you on Sunday.
Yes, same here.
Yeah. So, how are you today? And what are we going to do today? What do you have in your heads? Come out with it. Shoot out. Let's have fun. Usha has a question.
Kamal, do I know there? Can I ask? Yeah.
Yes, please go ahead.
Okay, Kamal, though, of course, a person knows a lot. I mean, I know a lot about everything, but still, I would like your assistance in the sense that I have a situation at home which is not working for me.
Okay, so what is the situation? Would you like to share with us?
The situation is such that it's been nearly pretty like 2 years. I have a beautiful house in Delhi, and there is a past expenditure taken on it, by my husband and my son, and so there's something so the only solution according to them, and I also buy that point of view on and off, is that the only way to do that is to either give it to a builder so that we get a portion of, or just sell the house outright. And that's the only alternative that we can see. And most of the time, I also buy on and off. I know there are other infinite possibilities, but then there are times when I don't see them.
So, rightly said, you are the choice beyond the insanity of this reality.
Yes.
So, what is that choice? Have you been asking? What questions have you been asking?
I've been asking a lot of questions, like in the sense that uh, I do a lot of who does it belong to, because I know I buy in a lot of what is happening around, not making anybody right or wrong, but what is my true reality is what I search for, I look for, and would like to perceive. So what I normally do a lot is, what awareness can I be to change everything that's not working for me? That's one question I ask a lot. I even ask a lot of those four questions. What is this? What can I do with it? Can I change it? If so, how can I change it? That's also a lot of times. I mean,
So
constantly.
have you asked the house to contribute? What does the house want? Does it?
Yes. So the house doesn't want to leave me. In fact, it's I hope so. In fact, 3 months
Hi
back there
Reni,
was.
hi Mamta, Jazz. Hi, lovely to have you here.
Hi,
Hello.
Kamal.
Usha, go ahead, Usha. Renu. Oh, Neera, go ahead. Sorry.
Yeah. So in fact, 3 months ago, there was a deal where we gave it to a builder. We shifted
So
base
if we
to
didn't,
an.
1 minute, Neera, let me
Yeah,
stop you. We can
yeah,
go on the whole day
yeah,
discussing what it
exactly. So
is.
just tell
So
me, yeah.
let's not go there. Let's
Yeah,
see
so
the
what
questions.
I want to say is that the house called me back. So the house doesn't want to leave me.
No,
The
no,
deal
1 minute.
went off. Yeah.
The house, yes, okay. The house doesn't want to leave you. But when you give it to the builder, do you have to leave the house?
Yeah, leave and come back, of course, after 2 years.
So that the house doesn't want.
No, it's happened already. It's
How is
happened
it?
once, of course, it can happen again, and that's okay too.
What happened?
Like there was a deal. I went to another place. I lived there for 2 months, quarantine. Okay, I had to come back because the deal went off. I just left 2 days before the quarantine. In fact, I'm not even shifted fully. It's just across my house. And so we came back.
So you are getting that it's not ready for it now.
Yeah, it's not ready for it.
So you ask the house to contribute to you, show you the money. So
Okay.
you tell the house that you really want me to live here and not break you and give it to the
Yeah.
builders. What
Yeah.
contribution can you be to me? Can you bring me the
Okay.
money, please?
Yeah. I constantly ask that, right? You know?
So just ask that.
Yeah.
And then we get stuck with one question.
Yeah, exactly. I know
So
that.
one question leads to another question if you are willing to be aware.
Okay. Okay.
When you ask this question, if there's something comes up, please ask that.
Okay. Okay.
Because you are the choice beyond the insanity of this reality.
Okay. Got it.
So if you don't get that you have choice and there are multiple or infinite possibilities, then you allow the insanity of this reality to dominate you,
Yeah. Yeah. That's right.
right?
Yeah.
So please do not go into resistance and reaction and aligning and agreeing with anything. Be open with no
Yeah.
point of view. Okay, show me universe. Okay, show me the house. Okay, show me
Yeah.
money. Okay, body.
Yeah.
If you want to live in this house, then show me the money.
Yeah. Yeah.
What would it take for you to employ the universe for all eternity?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. That's right. Yeah.
That's a larger perspective.
Yeah.
Because you are part of that universe.
Yeah.
In fact, you are the universe.
Yeah.
You are the source.
Yeah.
And you are willing to go beyond the insanity of this world. You
Yeah.
always know that there is another choice. That's
Yeah.
the knowing we have, that oh my God, there is another choice.
Yeah.
So everywhere people around you are not willing
Hmm.
to be a source for a different future, for a different, would you be willing to destroy Nankere?
Yes. 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 That's right.
Right?
Yeah.
So what have you made so vital, valuable, and real about never being the source for the different and greater future that keeps you buying in, believing into this reality is insanity?
Yeah.
Everything that brings up,
Beautiful.
would you be willing to destroy Nankere?
Yeah.
Right,
Yeah.
wrong, good, bad, POC, POD, honor, short boys, and beyonds.
Yes. Yes.
Go
Thank
have
you.
fun.
Yes. Yes. So,
And
what have
let
you
us
made for what? Yeah. Just can you repeat that? What have you made so vital, valuable, and real?
or
You don't remember? I'll see the recording.
you will have to listen to the recording.
I'll see the recording. वही आया mind में ठीक है. Thank you, Kamal. That was great. You know, what have you made so vital, valuable, and real about this reality that doesn't make you choose a different reality? I mean, just saying it, you know, offhandedly.
Yeah. That
Which is
doesn't
greater.
make you choose what you are. The source
The
doesn't
source.
make you choose you, and you buy into, like you said, you sometimes buy
Yeah.
into this reality,
Yes, yes, that's
and
right.
it keeps you buying into believing and being limited.
Yes, yes, that's right.
And
Thank
then
you.
then you start thinking, no, it's not possible. I can't do it. This pandemic, blah blah blah.
Yes, yes. Thank you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Yes. Anybody else with the question? I love questions. Everywhere you people don't get that you are there. Anuradha, please unmute yourself. Yes, darling. Go ahead. Hi. Good morning.
गुड मॉर्निंग कैसे हैं आप? ठीक है,
बढ़िया, बिल्कुल टॉपर टॉप.
या मुझे हर बार एक प्रश्न यही है, थोड़ा सा स्पष्टता से अभी तक वो आई डिजायर टू नो, आई डोंट वांट टू अंडरस्टैंड, डिजायर टू नो कि लाइक व्हाट इज जिसको हम इनफाइनाइट बीइंग कहते हैं और जिसको हम लोग कॉन्शियसनेस कहते हैं. थोड़ा
कॉन्शियसनेस सारा है and you are included. Consciousness की definition only Access has ever given is it includes everything and judges nothing.
So is it what we call in ऐसे अपने जैसे कि अगर हम गुरु ग्रंथ साहिब
everywhere you are trying to club it in or find a definition for it. What if you didn't have to do that? What if you just had to choose? In every now moment, you're conscious of what choices will create the future that you desire, but you don't do it because you're so scared, you have fears, you bought into this reality, the insanity of this reality, and you go into the wrongness of you or somebody else. If you were conscious and if you were aware, what choices would you have? What would you choose?
Definitely.
So be with that question every now moment, and the one which is like, aha, lightened up the world, go choose that. You know, people don't get that they are the only source of what they have created till now and what they can create in the future. When you don't get that you are the source, then you are groveling all over in the world looking for somebody to tell you what's going to be right for you. You are the only one who knows what's going to be right for you. Nobody else knows that. Nobody else can ever know that. And you are the source for something different. Hi Ranjana, lovely to have you here. So Anuradha, was it of any help?
Yeah, exactly.
How many people are looking at something different in the world? Only few of us. And also know that there is something different. We are looking for it. Everybody is looking for something different, but everybody thinks it's not, they cannot go beyond their nose. You know there are so many possibilities. You know you can go beyond this. You desire something called consciousness and awareness. And everybody else discounts it, denies it, and avoids it, refuses it, pretends that they don't have. Rather than recognizing that we have a choice in every now moment to choose what works for us. And that could be totally different, totally a different way of looking at things. Are you willing to do that?
Yeah.
Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POD, online shows, boys and beyonds. There we go.
Yeah. And infinite being?
Infinite thing is conscious, chooses consciousness, and can choose anything. Doesn't judge anything. Same as consciousness, because you are consciousness, because you are universe. We try to separate it. We are one. Everywhere you separate yourself, you will not recognize that you are the consciousness you truly be. You will not recognize that you have the power and you are the source. You only recognize that you can change anything when you recognize that everything is conscious and I am an infinite being. Don't think too much, darling.
Yeah.
Because
Very true.
you will create problem. That is not even there. When we think too much, we can create problem for us, for everybody around. That's why we say thinking is thinking. Give it up.
Yeah.
But there is a beautiful tool that I can give you. Every morning you get up and say, change, 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 change. Everything that requires to change, 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 change. You are the source. You can change anything. Try it.
Yeah, definitely.
Just for fun of it. Just for fun. Just for you. Just for fun. Never tell anyone. Then people say, oh my God, what is she doing? She's mad. In the morning she goes this.
No. Morning आपके साथ संडे का बहुत अच्छा हो जाता है.
Thank you, Radha. And how is my lovely Chetna?
हाँ, वो तो late उठा.
I know children don't come here say ये बुढ़ियों का है, ये age का है, हमें नहीं आना.
नहीं, अगर वो उठ जाएगी तो डेफिनेटली आपका ये 11 बजे 12 बजे होता है तो वो उठ के सुनती, बट 8 बजे तो नहीं
Okay,
उठेंगे.
she can hear the recording.
Yeah, that she does. Yeah.
So, come on, guys.
Kamal, if
Anybody
no one
else?
has a question, I have another question.
All right, go ahead.
Go ahead. Yeah, thank you. So, Kamal, there is so we have a name. We are a finite. Our bodies are finite. We've chosen our bodies, and in
Who says bodies are finite?
I thought ki body finite and we have an infinite being. No.
But everywhere you want to define everything.
Yeah.
What if you didn't have to define it? You, an infinite being, chose a body. Would you choose something that is not working for you? Would you choose something that is less than you?
No.
So everywhere you're making your body finite, would you be willing to discern it? Your body is
Yes.
conscious. Your body is more aware than you are. There are 9 systems working perfectly well. Where is it? It's more conscious than you are, darling.
Yeah, exactly. So I know my body is more conscious. So when I say I judge my body, what is that I that is judging it? And what makes it judge a body that's so perfect? I mean, in every sense, if it's infinite, it's got all the possibilities there. You just have to ask. So what makes me judge it is my question. मैं कल से ये सोच रही हूँ that what
So
is
that is my
Yeah.
question for you too. What makes you
judge it? Yeah.
tell
Not
me
only
what
the
makes
bodies,
you,
everything around us also. Like there's a lot of judgment. From where does that judgment come?
so tell me where it comes from.
Judgment comes from mind.
Exactly. Let's start to clear some of that insanity to free
Yes.
up the
Yes.
space for more of what is possible, more of what you can access to. If you stop defining and you were 24/7 in a question,
Yeah.
you would get total clarity. So everywhere we want to define to know what it is, rather than tapping into our knowing, that is beyond you have ever recognized it is, would you be
Yes.
willing to discern, Ankita?
Yes.
Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POD, online, short, boys and beyond.
Actually, वो जो पतला एक लाइन है knowing and judging के बीच में, वही समझ नहीं आता है.
समझने का तो जरूरत आज नहीं है ना जे.
हाँ.
हम यही तो बोलत है कि समझने का नहीं है, आस्किंग का क्वेश्चन है.
बराबर.
Whatever area in your life which is not changing, we just ask a question. If it is not changing for a longer period that you've done, it's not yours. You can't change somebody else's shit, guys.
Oh.
Then you return it to the sender with consciousness attached. So let's reduce the insanity and create magic instead. The magic that you be. With asking a question. You cannot be the magic you be without asking question. You cannot be the magic you be without being conscious. You cannot be the magic that you be when you keep going on defining this is this is that, this should be this shouldn't be this, I shouldn't be doing this, that shouldn't be that, what happened, why did it happen? Those are not questions. Those are just statements with a question mark attached. Question is a question when you don't know the answer.
But you know, sorry, can I ask?
Go ahead, Usha, go ahead.
Yeah, like asking questions. Sometimes when we are excited, happy, you know, we forget all these questions to be asked. So how to make that question?
So when you don't cook something, some exotic dish for a while, do you forget it? when you have learnt one dish from somebody, you went to their house, you didn't jot down the thing, you came home after 2 days, you wanted to make it, could you make it? You have to call her back again to ask what the details were. Can you
Yeah.
not make that wrong? Do you make that wrong? Oh ho, मैं तो इतनी stupid हूँ, मुझे तो पता नहीं लगा, मैंने तो लिखा नहीं. Do you go into that, or you just pick up the phone and ask that person कि okay, tell me please, I want to make that. Tell me the ingredients and tell me. Do you do that?
Yeah.
Can you ask yourself? Can you ask the universe to bring you back to the question? It's that simple. Every way you make it wrong, what would it take? What question do I have to ask? What process do I have to do? Oh my God, I forgot again to ask a question. Oh, okay, I forgot again to ask question. Okay, now I can start.
Yeah, if supposing somebody is arguing with us, yeah, to that point, if there
So
is a person,
who is arguing? If you don't argue, if you don't reply back, who's arguing? Can the other person argue?
नहीं, उसने सवाल पूछा तो हमने जवाब दिया, लेकिन हमारा जो पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू और उसका पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू मैच नहीं हो रहा है, तो आर्ग्यूमेंट तो होता है ना.
नहीं
तो
क्यों होता है? आप बोलो I agree to disagree. That is your point of view. Interesting point of view. Have that. Oh, that point of view also we can have. I never thought of that. Oh, we can
but
look
if
at
we
this.
say
We
that,
can look at like this also. Amazing. Thank you so much. I never thought of that.
Pocket
but
pot.
if we say that point of view in front of that person,
Of course. Why not? Because, oh my
बरक
God,
जाएगी.
I never thought of that. Oh my God, that is also the different way of looking at things. Oh, amazing. Thank you so much for opening up my awareness. I never thought I could look at it like that. And then if a person keeps going on, say, okay, you want me to do that? Okay, let me wait for a while. Let me see if it works for me. It doesn't feel like that. It feels like this. I don't want to choose that now. Give me some time. You got all the tools, my love. How insane it is that you don't even recognize, acknowledge your capacities. And we become the effect of other people. Is it working for you to argue? Will it create greater? I'm not saying run away from argument. I'm just saying be in question. If it works to argue, go ahead, do it. If you're having fun, go ahead, do it. Why not? Even if nothing comes out of it. अब मजा आ रहा है, अब कर लो. हम कल बात कर रहे थे, कभी किसी को जज करने में भी मजा आता है, तो कर लो. There is no right, there is no wrong, there is no good, there is no bad. After judging it, what do you get? Do you get, oh my God, I shouldn't have done it? That was not fun. Then choose something different. There is something else going on in your head, Usha. If you would tell me the situation, then maybe I'll be able to help you get out of that. Unmute yourself, my love.
Like, yes, in my school, I asked my principal, I say, I want like teacher's license. So I asked her, I say, Miss, I told the principal, before I spoke to the supervisor, and then the supervisor said she was angry with me. I said, okay, forget it. I'll talk to the principal. The principal will convey the message to the supervisor. Then, but in my heart was, I lower my barriers before going to her office. I lower down my barriers. I poke and pot everything, and then I ask like that. So she said, yeah, I have conveyed the message, but you have to wait for another year. It has been I have been working there for quite some time. So, but they don't want to process that license, teacher's license. Yeah, so I was asking from Mother Universe, what would it take for me to have that license with ease, joy, and glory? But till now, No solution
It's
yet.
Manta Plus.
So all those things you are doing it to get what you want. What if that what you want
And
will work out different if you knew exactly, if you tapped into the universe, what would be greater, what would be a contribution to me and to the school and to everybody else? Are you willing to look at another possibility, or you have concluded that this is the only thing that I want? Then you cannot even see other possibilities. You're wearing the blinders. Then you won't be able to see another possibility. Now you're stuck with, this is what I want, and all the processes and all the pocking and podding I will do to get that. That is not asking questions, my love. Question is knowing what else is possible. How does it get any better than this? What's right about this I'm not getting?
Great. Yeah.
So how insane it is that we rather choose greater, choose beyond, choose from consciousness, rather than what will work for us. When you've decided this is going to work for you, then the universe can universe show you other possibilities? No. Universe says, okay, you know it. Universe has given you a free will. Universe will not say, I know better. You say, I know this. Universe says, okay, tathastu, go ahead, do it. But if you involve the universe, if you are willing to function from oneness, then you ask a question, what else is possible? Are you willing to see it from the other angle? Are you willing to see it beyond where you have decided it should be? Don't think too much.
Like we have to think what contribution I can be there and what
No
the school
thinking, just
contrib-
asking.
asking. Sorry, what contribution I can be and what school can be contribute to me and what's right about it I'm not getting. Awesome. So that's what you have to ask, right?
Not
Anyway,
because you've decided यही एक तरीका है, इसी तरीके से ये सारा काम होगा, यही मेरे लिए better है, यही मैं तथास्तु, stay there. It won't change. So मैं इतनी clearing कर ली, मैंने इतना ये कुछ कर लिया, ये change क्यों नहीं हो रहा? क्योंकि you are keeping it stuck. And universe says, okay, have it your way. We keep choosing the same thing again and again and creating the same thing again and again rather than looking at what else is possible. That we haven't even tapped into. We go into this head. Head says, यही एक तरीका है. उसको तो इतना ही पता है जो आपने उसके अंदर डाला है. But as a being, as a universe of its own, of the you that you be, you can tap into the whole universe and you will know what's available. And also it is how insane it is to choose to hurt, to get angry, to get upset, rather than happy. ये होगा तो मैं खुश होंगी. What if you were happy and that brought all what you wanted to get? That the energy you be and the vibration that you be, everything wants to come and play with you. Go and sit with somebody who's sad and depressed. How often can you go there? You will go once because of duty. You would say, I'm not going there, it's so depressing. Same way, universe doesn't want to come to you, joy doesn't want to come to you, money doesn't want to come to you, fun doesn't want to come to you. If you're sitting like, oh, I'm not getting my way. How insane it is that we have such amazing, wonderful, magical tools and we do not use them. And we are committed to everything else. We are committed to our depression. We are committed to our sadness. We are committed to feeling upset, angry. But we are not committed to ourselves. What our body likes. What joy is. What fun is in every now moment. And we disregard our bodies. We disregard ourselves. We disregard our peace. We disregard everything that is at our beck and call. That's right there, we can choose it. What energy, space, and consciousness can I be to have total clarity and ease in every area of my life? And everything that doesn't allow that, disjoint, get it all, right, wrong, good, bad, popcorn, honest, short, boys, and beyond. Usha, I hope that was of some help.
Yes, thank you. Okay, if we want to buy something, supposing we want to buy earrings or what, so
come to me, come to Kamal's and buy. That is why I flaunt my jewelry every time and show you that that's what I do. Order it now.
You're looking lovely. I love your jewelry. You're looking great.
Thank you, darling. Thank you. Okay.
एक बार संडे को डाल देना आपके ज्वेलरी थोड़ा सा उसमें
Kamal's jewelry Facebook page. Okay, Usha, come on. Enough of my advertisement. Yes,
okay,
Usha.
so if we want to buy that, it is asking question that will you contribute to me or like should I buy you now or how to get that thing with the low price, of course.
वो तो सारी जजमेंट है ना, वो तो क्वेश्चन नहीं है मैं कब बाय करूं जब वो लो प्राइस होगा. देयर इज नो क्वेश्चन देयर, यू ऑलरेडी नो द आंसर. You just ask, will you make me money? Do I buy it now or do I buy it in the future? Will you let me know? Will you tap and let me know when I can buy it, when it will be a contribution to me? Wow. Everything has consciousness. So when you go buy even dal, even bhindi, go ask. Who all will like to come with me? Who all will like to contribute to me?
That is done before entering to the shop or after entering to the shop?
Whenever you get it, even when you do it later, it's okay. The others one will rot. I'm just kidding. But you can do it anytime. When you get the awareness, please, 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 I keep saying it again, tap into your awareness. Trust your knowing. There is that, go do it. Please go and do it. The day you get, oh my God, I want to go and buy those earrings. I saw then, or I have the money and I want to go do it. Maybe that is the invitation. Don't go into, oh, आज कम है, आज ज्यादा है, ये बोलो कौन सी शॉप में जाऊं, ये बोलो क्या चीज चाहिए, मैं buy करूं और मेरे को पैसे बनाएगी. That you can say. But don't go into the head of thinking that now is the right time or not. No. Ask a question. Is now the right time?
Wow. So much of clarity.
Thank you.
I have a question, Kamal.
Yes, Ranjana, go ahead.
How do you ask the how do you like be in question when you have no idea what your business is going to be now from now onward. Like there's no clarity. Then how I
What
should
would I like my business to look like in 5 years? What would I like my life to look like in 5 years? Universe, can you show me? Can you give me the energy?
simple.
Access is very simple. We make it hard. And Gary always says, hard is only one thing you want in your life. Nobody got me. Nobody wants to laugh.
Yeah. Yeah. That's it exactly. What's hard in your life?
Yeah. Hello, Seema. Hello, guys. Once again, those who don't want to, Sal Peace. Who's Sal Peace? Please show your faces.
Morning.
If I hide my face, would you like it?
Actually, I've just woken up. That's why.
So what? So what? If all of us are just blank and just names S and R and JKA, would you like it? If you don't like it, then please, the others don't like it too. Come on, show your face, you beautiful one.
Want to see you, Kamal?
No, if you don't want to show me, how can you see me? There should be some way, only people who show themselves should be able to see the others.
Yeah.
I am going to ask for that.
Or else, when we think of Kamal, we should be able to see her.
Yes. How beautiful would that be? How lovely would that be? When you think of somebody, actually you can.
Really?
When you think of somebody, the face comes. We don't acknowledge it. We think physical. We can energetically see anybody, hug anybody, go anywhere, do anything. Okay, all of you, just close your eyes and give me a hug. I really want hug. I haven't had hugs for long. Give me a genuine hug.
Genuine hug. Close my eyes and give you a hug.
How does it feel?
Love, 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 love.
So nice. Awesome.
And I also felt the same. This hug is one thing that simultaneously you're gifting.
अच्छा कवल बताइए किसका हग आपको आया मिला?
मुझे सबका आया, मुझे ऐसे किसी का नाम नहीं आया. If I had tapped into it, I did not, then I would know कौन मुझे genuine hug दे रही है, कौन मुझे नहीं दे रही, कौन मुझे ऊपर से कर रही है. You get that awareness.
I felt all the hugs have come to me.
Yeah, exactly. You're willing to receive it. Indra has a question.
Yeah, I felt bonded with you.
You felt?
What
did you-
with you?
Sorry?
Bonded.
Yeah.
Bonded.
That's what you feel. I put my speaker on because I wasn't listening. I couldn't hear her. So whatever changes, what little change that comes up, please acknowledge it. Please acknowledge that. Oh my God, I was able to do that. Can I have more of that, please? Okay, next.
Last time I was doing that interesting point of view, write it down in a piece of paper. And after 100 times of writing interesting point of view, my mind was empty. My mind was empty and I feel like throwing up, uneasiness in my body. Is it because of
Everywhere you're
that?
defining
Right.
it. What's right about that you're not getting? How does it get any better than that? What is this? What can I do about this? Can I change it? How can I change it? Are you willing to be the question?
Okay, sometimes like when my mom body is paining, so my mom say, okay, you touch me, Usha, and then you do like the energy healing or what, and then I find it like uneasiness and like throwing up like that. Is it something like to do with some entities, or is it?
Is it? What do you know?
If you ask, what do you know? Means, what is that actually? There is something is inside it, which I still now, till now in access. I've been so long. What is it? I mean, what do you know about it? You know, like, is this still, a
I only know,
question?
I only know that I am a psychic and I pick up from 8 miles to 8,000 miles. And sometimes, most of the times, everything that's going in my body is not mine. And if I go to defining that, it might be your mother's. It might be somebody in the next door. But when I go defining that, when I go finding that, I invite it and make it mine. I align and agree with it, I resist and react with it, and I have it with me. Now that is the point of creation. POC, you have bought that. Now it is locked in your body. Yesterday somebody said, I have, in our reading group said that day before, that I have temperature and just lying down. I said, what happened? How did it come? So she said, oh, I don't know. I was feeling little this.
Can't hear you, Kamal. Can't hear you.
Okay. So I'll speak a little louder. So she said that,
Can't
I
hear
had
you.
a, then that must be
We
some, everybody can't, nobody can hear me?
no, we can
No,
hear
no,
No,
you.
we
we
can
all
hear
can
you
hear.
very clearly. Can't hear you,
So
Kamal.
there is something with your computer, darling. If everybody can hear, then Satinder, there's something you need to check. You either you don't have a speaker or put the whatever you say speaker to 100%.
कवल
Earphone.
कवल चैट को
Or
read
wear an
करिए
earphone. Yes, Mamta.
कवल चैट रीड करिए somebody wants to ask a question there's a
एक मिनट एक क्वेश्चन खत्म करें इनका.
हाँ जी आप खाली रीड कर लीजिएगा let's see
हाँ मैंने पढ़ लिया. मैंने अभी पढ़ा है. अब अभी भी so I'll just finish this and come to that question. So if you were functioning from this, that nothing is yours, 98% of the shit that you have in your body is not yours. In your mind is not yours. If you just recognize that, immediately you will say bye-bye. So she had temperature and she had some throat problem, and she when she had a throat problem, she said, oh my God, and then later she had temperature and she was lying in a bed. I told her, get up from there. You're inviting this here, ask who does it belong to, and get the awareness of it, send it to conscious, return it to the center with consciousness attached. And yesterday, this happened day before, and yesterday she came and she said, thank you so much, I'm feeling so much better. I said, bye-bye. I did not invite it into my life. I said, oh my God, whose is it? Send it back. And I'm better. Thank you so much. Are you willing to be that? Are you willing to not define anything that comes and ask, what is this? What can I do about this? Can I change it? How can I change it? Return it to sender. Even if you don't know whose is it, just use these 8-10 words, 10 questions. How does it get any better than this? What else is possible? What's right about this I'm not getting? What's right about me I'm not getting? Return it to sender. Who does this belong to? And do it 2-3 times. If it is, you can give it to the earth also. We invite it, and then we nurture it, then we have it, then we feel. What do we want to do that for? For what reason? You are an infinite being. Is it making any sense, guys? 9, 5, 11.
Yes. Yes.
9, 5, 9, 11, 14, 19, 20. 5, 9, 11, 14, 19, 20. 5, 9, 11, 14, 19, 20. 5, 9, 11, 14, 19, 20. Are you all lighter?
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Thank you, Usha, for your question. And now we go to a question here. Kanwar. Kanwar is not my name. My name is Kanwal. I have a question. So this is Anuradha.
No.
Who's asked this question? As you said that energetically a person face comes up. Can someone is thinking of you and you feel overwhelmed? Please put light. Yeah, it could be anything. Who asked this question?
Some
Nobody.
side piece. Side piece.
Okay. Sign piece doesn't want to hide. No, I can see little
Side
face.
piece.
I can see little face. So what is your name? Sal piece?
My name is Salima. I have a
Selena.
question for you, Salima.
Salima. Okay, Salima, I just read your question. You wrote this question saying that, as you said, that energetically a person face comes up. Can someone is thinking of you and you feel overwhelmed? It could be what you know best, what it is when you are thinking of it. Does it feel like somebody else is hugging you, or somebody is thinking of you, or somebody is even judging you?
This has been happening with me since past 2 or 3 weeks. I knew a person in my life, and then suddenly, from few days, the name is coming up, and I get overwhelmed.
Would an infinite being get overwhelmed?
I didn't get you. I could not hear you.
Would an infinite being get overwhelmed?
Yeah, being normal human beings, you can get overwhelmed. These are your emotions. But I was feeling that.
I couldn't hear you. There's something wrong with the speaker.
I was feeling the other person is feeling overwhelmed because of that. That person's energy is making me overwhelmed.
Okay, so what can you do about that?
I'm not sure.
Is it fun? Is it fun getting overwhelmed?
Not always.
So if it is not this time, then what other choices do you have?
Can I do who does this belong to? Can I do modern? Or who does this belong to?
Yes, you could do that. Did it help?
I've not done it. I'm asking you today.
Why would you live with uncomfortable, overwhelmed? You have so many tools. What would it take for you to use them?
Okay.
What would it take you to come back to the magic that you are instead of sitting in that shit? What's the value of sitting in that shit? जब भी आपको कुछ भी हो रहा है आपकी बॉडी में, आपको कुछ भी फीलिंग हो रही है, आपको कुछ अनकंफर्टेबल फीलिंग हो रही है, आपको एंजाइटी आ रही है, आपकी नींद खराब हो रही है, आपके पास टूल है. What is
Okay.
this? What can I do about this? Can I change it? How can I change it? What's right about this I'm not getting? How does it get any better than this? What else is possible? Which one feels lighter? Go using that again and again. There is no fun sitting in anything. There is no fun sitting in pain. There is no fun sitting in anger, hurt, upset, overwhelmed, uncomfortable. Not at all. Why would you want to choose that? It's a choice. When you think you don't know anything, when you think you can't change anything, when you're making yourself finite, then you think all these things can happen to you. When you are an infinite being and tap into your infinite being, would you be willing to, and you choose something else, would you be willing to destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, awkward, honest, short, boys and beyond? Yes.
So
Somebody
in
will
a
ask.
similar way,
Yes.
can I just align my entire spinal column, especially my sacral region and my lumbar region because of sciatica? अभी तो बहुत कम है, but sometimes yes, in between the sacral region had shifted. So by doing this and doing the running the bars of the restructuring of the point, the restructuring point, without doing a chiropractic, going to a chiropractor, the alignment will come in line of the sacral region, sacral and lumbar region.
Selena, actually, I couldn't hear what you said, but you are going into conclusions. This will help, this will not help, that I don't know, this I know. You know everything. What feels light, just go do it. There is no right and wrong. There is no one way to rule it. For you, it might work different. For me, it might work different. So tap into your knowing, asking questions, and what feels like, go ahead, do it.
Okay, I will do it.
Yeah, and then write in the group, did it help? Whatever you know what is work for you. You are an infinite being. You are phenomenal. Even if you haven't even recognized how amazing you are, I am telling you, you are phenomenal. You are amazing. You are out of this world. You are not from this reality. You can choose and do and have anything that you desire. If something is not working, either it's not yours or you're trying to make it yours. Return it to sender, and if it still insists, ask, what question can I ask? What would you like me to do? What would you like me to eat? Body, what information are you giving me that I'm not willing to listen to? Can you make it more clear? This is something new for me. I have never heard it before. I've never done it before. Access says that I can talk to you. Access says that I can get information from you. Can you make it clear for me? Can you tell me what are you trying to tell me?
Okay.
And see what shows up. When you say मैं ऐसे करूँगी तो फिर ये ऐसे होगा, तो फिर वो ऐसे होगा, तो फिर वो ऐसे होगा, that doesn't really work. Those are all your conclusions. You have not included your body, which is giving you an information. Most of the time, we don't listen to the body. We go to the doctor and pop a pill. We shut our body up. फिर वो बॉडी बताना बंद कर देती है. आपको कुछ भी आपकी बॉडी में हो रहा है, give yourself a hug and ask your body, what is this? What can we do about this? Can we change it? How can we change it?
I have a question.
Let me just finish with her. Selena, is it okay? Have I answered your question, darling?
Yeah, my name is Salima. It is M.A. Convert. Thank you very much. So,
Thank you.
one last thing I'll share with you, like as you said, to talk to your body. My Nazdika vision है ना कम.
Actually, everybody else can hear her, guys?
No, lots of disturbances there.
No.
Can you
Now
take
you can hear me?
can you take the speaker off, please? You have put an extra speaker? Have you put an extra speaker?
No,
So what is
no, I
it?
don't
That,
have.
okay, so go little back. I think you go a little back and say it. Haan, bolo.
Now you can hear me?
Okay, better.
Yeah, okay. So today I asked my eyes the question, okay, what is it that my eyesight, near eyesight is very dim. I can't read fine lines and all that. So my eyes gave me an answer that, and I was surprised. The eyes answered that I'm carrying grief, trauma, and fear and worry. Because of 3 years back, some incident happened in my life. So that is, and since then my eyesight started to become more dimmer.
They started to become?
eyesight जो ना नजदीक का तो मुझे शार्प दिखता था, अभी नहीं दिखता है.
So can you ask your eyes the same question that you ask your body?
My eyes
What is
actually
this? What can we do about this? Can we change it? How can we change it and follow the awareness that shows up?
Okay. Yeah. Yeah, I'll do. I'll.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Yes, Ranjana, you wanted to ask me a question?
Yes, dear. Kamal, just more clarification. I mean, I am beginning to understand what we spoke the other day also. Now, when we were talking of relationships, um, you know, when you know that some relationship, you know, there is a little, when you say, okay, ask the universe that what is right for me, and you know that relation is drifting away because that's right for us, but how do you manage when you don't want it to go away, you know, in your heart of heart?
So
There's attachment.
Truth. You don't want it to go with, or you already left it?
I'm not clear.
Can you ask that question? And can you ask yourself, can you ask that one more question which works very wonderful for me, may work for you too, try it. What can I gift that would allow me to receive more in this relationship?
Okay. Yes.
What can I gift? What energy, space and consciousness can I be to gift that allows me to receive more than I can ever imagine?
I'm writing it down, Kamal. Thank you. What can I gift
that would allow me to receive more? उसके आगे पीछे जो मर्जी डालते जाओ.
Okay. Perfect. Because sometimes, right.
Thank you.
That gives me a lot more clarity. God bless you, Kamal.
God bless you for asking the question. Okay, guys, tell me, there are a few minutes, 2 minutes left. So any more questions before we wrap up? Hi, Ranjan. We just got Ranjan Lee.
Yeah, woke up late.
Hi. Lovely to have you, even if it's for a few minutes. You can listen to the recording.
Yeah.
So any more questions before we wrap up? Yes, Selena, I'll add you in my group. Thank you. So, no more questions? We are done for the day? Everybody is so quiet, yaar. What did I do? Usually, don't we go into that? Oh my God, what did I do? Everybody is quiet.
No, so you've gifted us so much, Kamal, that we still have to.
Did I fry you? Did I Did I fry
No,
you?
you didn't. No, no, not at all. You made us happy.
So I will
You got
leave.
the
I
smile
will.
back
I
on our
will.
face.
Thank you, darling. Thank you. So I'll leave you
Thank
with
you.
one.
Thank you so
I'll
much.
leave you with one question. What would my life be like if I created it from joy instead of, if I created it from joy, from fun, from happiness? What would my life be like if I created it from joy, from happiness, from ease, from fun, in every now moment? कुछ भी करने लगे हो तो पूछो क्या ये फन है, क्या ये हैप्पीनेस, मुझे हैप्पी. Even before you do something, something will tell you it will make you heavy, it will make you light. So this is fun for you. So you go for fun. Will you choose that for this week, please?
Yes,
Yes.
I will.
Cool.
Girls 5. Girls 7 days we enjoy the same sessions with her while we are doing our book readings.
Yes, guys, and we are starting a book, another new book, maybe day after. We are ending this, we've finished with Beyond the Utopian Ideals, and we are thinking of maybe Being You, Changing the World, or maybe Lady, or maybe we're just still deciding. And you can also put in the group if you would like to join, and which book would you like to do with us. So you're all welcome to see this face every day. If it is too much, you can only manage it only on Sundays, then it's fine with me.
No, actually, you know what? I always look forward for Sunday to come. So I am happy to meet on Sunday. Early morning, I say, oh yeah, today's Sunday. I'm so happy. Dress up in front of the, laptop. And I'm the first person to enroll, log in.
Thank you so much. So you can see, if you're really happy and you like these sessions, then you can join us for the book reading.
The book reads are really fantastic, yeah.
I know this one is with me since September, and we've been reading books since December, January, right? We finished 11 books, and we are going to choose the 12th one now. We start the book, we have no days. We start the book, and when the book wants to finish, when the group is done with it, that is when we choose another book. So sometimes it goes for 15 days, sometimes it goes for 1 month, 20 days. We have no point of view. So anybody wants to join in, please write in the group, and I will make you join us. So good morning and have a beautiful day.
What are
Good morning.
what
Yes, Ranjali.
What are the timings for the books?
Same,
What
8
are the
to 9.
timings for the book?
8 to 9.
Oh, the time doesn't suit me. It's too difficult. Better.
Oh my God.
8 to 9 in the morning or night?
Yeah.
Morning.
8 to 9 in the morning. But you always get a recording. There are 1 or 2 people who don't come, but they just get the recordings. So that is also can work. If you can listen on the days you can come, you're welcome. Okay, guys, have a lovely day. And I love that there used to be a program whose lady used to say good morning in a real sensual, sexy way.
Good morning,
So
India.
Yeah, good morning, India. Good morning, Fun Aging. There I go. Bye-bye. Love you all.
अमल कई लोगों को यहाँ पे इवनिंग में सूट करता हो, perhaps you could even think of starting. I'm not talking of me, but if any.
How many people? Okay, how many people would like it in the evening? But पहले तो कोई देखना पड़ेगा कि who wants to join? First, somebody has to see who wants to join.
Kamal, morning is great. It's a great way to begin the day.
And not about this. We are talking about this will remain in the morning always. But I was talking, I think Nippy was talking about the book reading.
Yeah, I said any other
Yeah.
group for book reading, if it suits other people, you can maybe have another group so that the others benefit.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
if anybody, so you can write your timings, guys, and let's see if we can have another group. Thank you, Nippy, for that idea. Okay, guys, love you all.